Mars, rocky, red, and cold. Jupiter, gassy, is the largest and has a stormy red spot. It has dust rings.
It has what?
Dust rings. Uranus, blue, green, and cold, with rings. Oh, I forget. Past Saturn. Saturn, largest rings and 62 moons, the most. Uranus, blue, green, and cold, with rings. Neptune, many colors of blue with rings, very cold. Pluto. Neptune is my favorite planet because it's pretty and it has